Get ready for an unforgettable experience. The thunderous roar of engines, the sharp crack of timber, and the breathtaking sight of massive trees crashing down in seconds. This video takes logging to a whole new level. Don't miss it.
That's a 6-foot-wide giant, centuries old. And one guy with a 36-inch bar just told it, time's up. Timber with mountain views and nerves of steel. This 70.000 pound splitter rips through 18-inch oak like it's balsa. Auto return. 4-way wedge, no struggle. Just straight up firewood production. £80.000 splitter chewing through 24-inch hardwood in freezing temps. Cold hands, hot hydraulics, logs don't stand a chance. And the firewood stacks don't stop. taking down a 100-foot pine beside a house, one cut at a time. 60 feet in the air. Precision, ropes, and nerves tougher than steel. Petzolato PTH 900G powered by a 300 HP John Deere. Whole trees vanish into mulch. Drum chipper at full roar. Forest cleanup at factory pace. Husqvarna 560 XP cutting through storm chaos. Uprooted giants from Sabine's wrath. 60cc saw versus nature's fury. Cleanup isn't pretty, but it's necessary. Petzolato PTH 1300-1500, industrial drum chipper built to shred full-length logs. 1.000 HP class power turns timber into biomass like a paper shredder on steroids. Rainy season turns every haul into survival mode, mud, ruts, and no traction. These truckers aren't just driving, they're wrestling the road. Pav, you're in the cab, watching a 10.000 RPM harvester head hug a 14-inch pine like it owes it lunch money. Timber's got no chance. Somewhere in Panguapuli, 60.000 pounds of logs just said, "We out." No straps, soft ground, and one trailer that forgot Newton is watching. Built in Australia, powered by a V8 engine, this chainsaw doesn't cut wood, it insults it. 300 horsepower turning logs into pancakes with zero apology. $50.000 pounds of timber, no guardrails, and a logging truck just cartwheeled off San Esteban's old airstrip. Gravity doesn't negotiate on these Honduran hills. My old lady said, "Ah, that lawnmower's kinda loud." I said, "Babe, that's 130 horsepower mulching 4-inch roots, it ain't mowing grass. It's erasing terrain." $45.000 pounds of logs, 12% uphill grade, and those tires are crying for mercy. Power's there, but traction? Left the chat 5 minutes ago. Two 1.200 pounds walnut logs and one mean hickory just slammed the Casterman lock. That ain't delivery. That's a hardwood mic drop. That's not a log, it's a prehistoric beast. 40 feet long, 6 feet thick, tipping 35.000 pounds. When it lands, even forklifts hold their breath. Log in, lumber out, feeder, rollers, twin saws, edgers, and conveyors. This full line rips through 10-inch logs like it's slicing celery on a Monday. This 1960s Dolmar CC with 87cc. 53mm stroke still rips. Dry pine log? No sweat. Old school torque never goes out of style. Tigercat 822 with a Logmax 6000 volts just pulled a midnight tree takedown. 23.000 pounds of iron, 10.000 RPM, and 0 chill in the dark. This Avant stump grinder may be pint-sized, but with 3.000 RPM and carbide teeth. That 20-inch root never stood a chance. Small frame, savage bite. This classic rig's packing 50.000 pounds of logs and dancing through that hill like it's prom night. Suspension screaming, but the load's still a lot. That's 40.000 pounds of logs rolling through 3 feet of river like it's pavement. 6 wheels, no snorkel, and a driver with 0 quit.